Today, we are making kimchi fried rice. Real Korean flavor, no shortcuts. One bite and you're in for a surprise. And the best part is super easy. Let's get started. First, prep the green onion. Slice it thin as you can. We are using it to make a rich, fragrant oil. Next, bacon. Cut it into small pieces. Texture doesn't matter here. All we want is the rich, smoky flavor. So, just chop it up nice and easy. Blast up the kimchi. Chop it into small pieces. See, easy. If the kimchi is too big, it stays crunchy, and you lose that soft fried rice texture. Heat a pan and add the oil. Start with the kimchi. Let it cook first. Keep it on medium heat. Kimchi can burn fast, so give it a gentle stir. Once the kimchi is nicely cooked, add the green onion. Let it cook together. This is where the oil gets a deep, fragrant flavor. Next, bacon. Add it in and keep things moving. We don't want anything to burn. Now, add the chili flakes. Stir it well so it doesn't clump. Keep everything moving. Now, add the rice. Press it down to break up any clump. Then, go in and stir like you mean it. Now, it's time to revel up the flavor. Pour the soy sauce into an empty spot in the pan. Let it sizzle just a bit for the deep, rich flavor. Then mix it all up nice and fast. Next, add the fish sauce and sugar. Give it a good mix, keep it moving. We are almost there. Finish with a bit of black pepper. Give it one last good mix, and that's it. Now, let's make fried egg for the top. Heat the pan and add some oil. Turn the heat down low, then crack in the egg. We are keeping the yolk running, so just let it gently cook. Now, let's plate it up. Take the rice bowl we used earlier. Pack it full with a kimchi fried rice. Then flip it onto a plate. Clean, neat, and looking just right. Top it off with some toasted sesame seed and drizzle of sesame oil. And finish it with a fried egg right on top. That's it, done. Looks amazing, right? Trust me, it tastes even better. Enjoy!
This is not just fried rice. I love it